Good day everyone and welcome to FXDD live analysis. Today it's Friday, it's NFP, and we should watch for a potential movement in the GBP yen. Before I start, have in mind that Forex trading carries a high level of risk that is not suitable for all investors. Please educate yourselves on the risks associated with Forex market before you start trading, and have in mind that everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. On these web addresses you can sign up for more live education and live trading webinars. So I expect to see you there. Now let's see what the GBPN has to offer. The price is generally neutral, but it's switching to uptrend. As you can see, the price dropped from this spot, had a lot of rejections, and then started moving up. Now, if we, for example, you always need to watch the average true range and the potential range for each pair each day. So it's not like you're trading the Australian dollar or euro dollar that have a lower ATR. The GBPN has a higher ATR, so it's not very suitable for traders who are afraid of big movements or volatility. Today is NFP, and also with NFP you have average hourly earnings and unemployment claims to watch for. So basically, if the NFP is good, but the average hourly earnings drop or unemployment rate is deviating from its forecast, there could be two-way movement. If all data is actually synchronized, like everything is good or everything is bad, then we can expect also a big movement to the upside or to the downside in the GBP yen too, because it has a yen as the quoted currency. And also it's a risk currency. So for the GBPN, what I can say is, guys, we have a nice trend line here. Okay, so see, this is a trend line, and now what we do is also watch for the confluence. We have a confluence of 145.60, and you see 145.25 is the lower projection low. So what I can say is, if the price makes a break here below weekly H4, this is the X cross. X cross is a cross of a trend line, an important pivot point. So the X cross here, 145, let's see, 145.82. Okay, so below 145.82, let's call it, let's say it's here. Okay, we should see a drop towards 145.60, daily L3 important support, and if it drops, if it breaks the level, we should get there. However, you also need to watch this level, as the price might go there and make a fake breakout with bullish pattern. That will signalize a further bullish movement in the GBPN. And only if the price breaks this, because this is now lean head and shoulders. You see, this is left, this is head, this is the right shoulder. If the price breaks 146.55, watch for a continuation towards 147.05 and the ATR projection high. So this trend line and all these accompanying pivot points are important. The price is in no man's land, but just before the NFP or slightly after the NFP, watch for the breakout to the upside or to the downside. As always, guys, have a great trading day and do not over risk. Talk to you soon next week. Cheers. Trade safe.